Man, I meant to get started this video a long time ago, but the Mazda had a flat tire, so I had to fix that real quick. And the sun's going down. So, you know what time it is. Oh, if you haven't noticed already, this video is not for children. Let's just get that out the way real quick. And I'm tired of my battery dying in the S10, for my phone that is. So I'm going to install one of these USB chargers. Oh, damn it. Let's get started. Since I have a big void of nothingness right here, and I have my Sintra, the stick piece of Sintra, that I'm going to make a template to fill those voids. I'm probably going to put the USB charger right here, somewhere in there. But first, I got to make a cardboard template. Oh, and if you're wondering, yes, that is a light switch. That's how I roll. Redneck, baby. Alright, so using the Tim Pizzle that I made two lines. I'm going to cut on those lines, but you can't use a grinder or a saw or anything on PVC because it'll just melt the crap out of it. So I'm gonna try cutting it with a razor blade. The best way to do this is with a wall cutter, but obviously I don't have a big wall cutter here. So we'll figure out a way to do this real quick. Okay, after consuming some thinking juice, I think I've devised a method that sucks, but we can at least make a straight line without making it look like shit. Which honestly doesn't matter because inside you're not going to see it. But this one I messed up on. But if you make a straight line at first, then you can use your razor blade and just keep on cutting on that straight line and it will follow it. There we go, now I'm through. There, see, I'm through on that side. And this one, I made like 8 shitty lines, so I'm going to have to try to concentrate. That, see, goes off course. That'll do it. There we go. I got one clean side. All hail the mighty belt sander. Alright, so I do have nuts I'm going to put on the other side of those screws slash bolts, not bolts or screws. And I figured 2 is enough to hold this plate in there. So now, let me go in the back here, you can see it. Just sitting back there. So now I got to cut a hole for the actual charger. Freaking S10 looking like a spaceship. Of course, I didn't beat the sun going down. What's new? I'm always doing stuff later than I want to. But we got light to finish this bad boy up. So that's kind of how it's going to sit in there. I just got to wire up the back now. So let's go ahead and do that. Alright, so there is a preferred positive and negative side on this. I'm not sure it really matters, but I did it anyways. And the wires that came with this guy, I pretty much threw them in the garbage because they were pretty chintzy, and I grabbed some automotive wires I had on the shelf. The ground is obviously way overkill for this, but it's the only one that I had, so we're gonna rock it anyways. So I have all those soldered and wired up going down. I just gotta plug them up down there, and then we'll see if she works. Connect. Thank you. There we go. Alright, so got everything hooked up back to where it's supposed to be. I'm going to connect the battery real quick. Hopefully this joint works. Oh, I heard the phone beep. Oh, there it is. 12.5 volts. And let's see what the phone says. Fast charging. So it is a fast charger. That's awesome. Well, that's going to help me a lot. Instead of having a dead phone whenever I drive the S10, I need to be charged. Awesome. Well, that's about it for this video. I can now charge my cell phone in this 80s S10. A little bit of the old school, a little bit of the new school. Thanks for tuning in. Don't forget to subscribe, and peace.